Today I want to talk about 3 ways in which you can start sleeping faster. This is a question that gets asked the most because we keep thinking that we're going to go to sleep and then suddenly we start staring at the ceiling and we start seeing the cracks in our ceiling and then we start seeing the cracks in our life. Oh my God, how morbid is that? I am Ashdin Doctor, your habit coach, and this is all about learning how to sleep faster. You see, there are 3 aspects to keep in mind. One is all the kachra, all the junk that is floating around in our head that suddenly wakes up just when we want to go back to sleep. Throughout the day, it's not there. Just when we want to go to sleep, we start thinking about past relationships. We start thinking about the work that we need to do, about the scary email that you got. All these things come up in our mind. What we have to do is learn to deal with that and get it out of our system. There are many techniques you can use. One brilliant habit is that of writing down 2 important things. One is called free flow journaling, which is sit down in the morning and just start writing for 15 minutes. What do you write? Anything that comes to your mind, any thoughts that you have, let it flow out on the paper. Don't judge it, don't evaluate it, don't ask why. Just let all the junk that's in your mind come out on that paper. The second thing that you can do is what's called a brain dump, where all your to-do lists, all the tasks that you need to do, I need to call up this friend, I need to buy this birthday gift, I need to talk to my mother, whatever it is, gets put down on paper. So make a huge list of all the things that are pending for you to do. It's called a brain dump. You will see once you do these 2 things, chances are that it's easier to start falling asleep at night. The second thing to do to sleep faster is to focus on the kind of food and nutrition you're having. You see, very often we end up eating late in the night so that food is still digesting. Our body is working at full steam to digest and get rid of that food, and now we want to go to sleep. These 2 things don't go well together. So start eating earlier. Start eating lighter food at night, not heavy, very rich food at night. You will see this improve your sleep as well. In fact, there are stories about people who eat pizza at night and have nightmares. It's called the pizza or junk food nightmare correlationship. So start eating better quality food at night. And the final thing that you can do is focus on maybe some supplements that can help you. Remember, supplements are not medicines. These are natural nutrients that your body uses. Magnesium is one example which helps you go to sleep easier. It relaxes your body, it relaxes your muscle. So magnesium is a supplement that you can take at night to help you relax, along with maybe a nice chamomile tea or a nice tulsi tea. The third and most important thing when you start going to sleep and how to sleep faster is that understand that your sleep process does not start when you put your head on the pillow. Your sleep process starts half an hour to 45 minutes before you put your head on the pillow. If you can dim the lights around you, change into your pajamas, get into the mood of going to sleep, start slowly, almost boring yourself to sleep, making everything slow around you, not looking at an action movie. Do not watch the Terminator just before you're going to go to bed. Start boring yourself to sleep and you will notice that the sleep comes much faster. Now, because I like you, I'm going to give you a 4th bonus tip. The 4th bonus tip is don't obsess about not being able to sleep fast. What's going to happen is that you will lie down in bed, you'll be awake, you'll be thinking about all the cracks in your life, and you will start obsessing over it, and that itself is going to get you paranoid. You will now be awake thinking about why you're not going to sleep. It becomes a vicious cycle. If you can't get sleep for the first 15 minutes of lying down in bed, get up, walk around, don't lie down in bed anymore. Maybe your body was not ready for sleep. Sit on a sofa, sit on a chair, let sleep come, then move back to the bed. Okay? So if you focus on these 3 tips and this last bonus one, you will notice that you're going to sleep much faster than you currently do. And remember, the faster you go to sleep, the better your quality of deep sleep and the more sleep you get overall. So focus on these and you'll see a big change. All our lives start with all these small habits that we need to create. If you like this kind of a video, please don't forget to tell me about it in the comments. Share with friends that you know have sleep issues. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press that little bell icon so you know when future videos come out. I am Ashdin Doctor, your habit coach. And remember, awesome lives, they start with these kind of awesome habits.